good.
Brian, you're working on kick panels?
Yeah, we're gonna try and make some speaker mounts. Start cutting and see what shape comes out.
How thick of acrylic will this work on? Just the thin stuff, or no?
No. There you go. Thin plastic.
That's it. Okay. Works good. What radio is it?
It's a radio sound, or retro sound.
Retro sound, that's right.
So right now I'm just putting the faceplate to the box right now and getting ready to hook up four 4x6s and 2 subs to it. So
In the package, bro?
yeah. So there'll be 1 in each kicker panel, 2 in the dash, and then the sub and the 2 in the back package tray.
So you're making the closeout panels for the trunk?
Yeah, so kind of mocking up these two because these two are going to be more permanent, and then the side ones that way we have access to the electronics and the battery. So I'm gonna put this in there just to see kind of the shape and angle that I wanted, and now I'm gonna build it out more this way, and so these will go out there, and then we can put L brackets on the back of these, so these can just either magnet or a Christmas tree attach in. And with these, make it go out a little more. But
Oh, start with cardboard and then you move to...
yeah, chipboard's a lot easier to shape than starting off with your 1/8" ABS, so cheaper too.
Yeah. You can make mistakes a lot easier
Oh
with
yeah,
this stuff.
oh yeah. And fix them easier as well. It's gonna go there, and then I'll attach it to here. Sit like that, and then allow the truck to close.
That's great.
Now I'm just kind of making so there's a support bar right here, and so I'm gonna make a little curve to go around it, just be a part of this panel, so when this clips in, it just covers that as well.
Very cool.
So it'll kind of bend like that, just to kind of
Start of it.
just to get the shape,
Yeah.
to look flush.
Nice.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more build videos like this, help us out by liking, commenting, and subscribing to our channel. And it's a little thing to do, but don't forget to turn on those notifications. If you want to buy merch, go to store.classiccarstudio.com. See you next time.